Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Many Cash App users don't know which ATMs are free for Cash App. But don't worry, in this video, we will tell you which ATMs are free for Cash App and which ATMs are not. I'll also teach you an easy way to check which ATMs around you are in-network, so you never waste money again while taking out cash. First, let's understand through the official website of Cash App that Cash App is not a bank, it is a wallet. That's why there is a fee for withdrawing money from all ATMs. When you withdraw money from any ATM, Cash App charges $2.5. Apart from this, ATM operators charge their own out-of-network fees. And this is clearly mentioned on the official Cash App website. Here's something important to know. If you get $300 or more every month in your Cash App account through direct deposit, you can withdraw cash for free as many times as you want from any in-network ATM. But remember, if you use an out-of-network ATM, the fee will still apply. Now let's talk about how you can know which ATMs around you are in-network. The in-network ATMs are those ATMs Cash App has a collaboration with them. How will you find these in-network ATMs? For this, let's look at another article written by Cabbage Loan Guide. In this article, when we scroll down, a subheading appears as "What ATMs are free for Cash App?" It explains how you can find the in-network ATMs available around you. To find them, you need to open your Cash App and scroll down a little until you see an option called ATM Locations. Click on it. As soon as you click, a Google map of your area will open and all the nearby ATMs will appear on the map. The ATMs that appear in green are all in-network ATMs for Cash App. If you receive $300 or more in your Cash App account through direct deposit, then you can go to any of these ATMs and withdraw unlimited cash for free.